They're definitely bears. All right, time to go drive up a mountain. And up we go. Looks like they've definitely revamped some of the roadway up here since I was last here. Smoothed out a bit, but we'll see how it is as we get higher up. It is an active logging area, so during the weekdays you can definitely see logging trucks coming and going. Whoa! So now that we're gaining some elevation, you can see that there's still some residual snow. So up in the mountains here, there are definitely bears, both black bears and grizzly bears. I've done lots of camping and hiking in bear country and grizzly country, and I've actually seen quite a few bears on my various trips. Grizz, you see it? What? You see the grizz? No. Fortunately, I haven't had any dangerous or worrisome encounters. And even when I haven't seen them, I've seen signs of them, whether it's fresh footprints or other fresh evidence. If I'm hiking or camping, there's in bear country, I do carry bear spray with me. Well, this is some number one BS. The website said it was open. Clearly it's not. Closed for season. All right, I usually go up to the west side, which is the other side, but let's go try this side. Well, it looks like even though it's closed, some people are going in here to check it out. Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, you?
Thought I'd drive up to check it out anyways.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We didn't have a plan. We kind of loaded up all our gear and...
Yeah, I wasn't planning to stay over, just kind of go and hang out by the day area, but
Well, we're gonna stay. Fuck it.
yeah, I'm just gonna wander around a bit. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. I was just talking to somebody up there. I don't know if he's with you.
He is. He had a little dog with him.
Yeah, I was just talking to him about the website for the BC Hydro site. Said it's all open.
Yeah.
So I just took a drive up here, not to stay over, but
the gates are all closed.
and then the gates are all closed, right? I'm like, come on. Oh well.
Yeah, it's saying end of April.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I guess it's fine. The gate's not too far away if you want to.
Yeah. So just wander around, check it out.
Yeah. It's worth it though.
Yeah, for sure.
To your left.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. So this is Jones Lake, and it's a BC Hydro, which is a provincial electricity company, operated, and they also, as part of the, I guess, agreement with the province to use this lake for hydroelectric power, they operate and maintain a recreation site. Wow, what a beautiful view. Over that way is actually the water control system where they release the water from the lake and it runs down and creates electricity. So the lake itself is about 600 meters, or about 1,800 feet, I guess, higher in elevation than the Fraser River. So that elevation affords a lot of, I guess, natural downslope for the water to run and create power. All right, let's go for a little walk. Oh, there's a drone. Hello, drone. I think that's from those guys.
2 hours later.
All right, let's see if I can get over to the hydroelectric dam up there. I'm not sure if it's blocked off, but I'll see if I can get over there to take a look and show you guys. Hey, what drone is that? Is that a DJI?
Yeah, it's Mavic Mini.
The Mavic Mini? Is that one of the newer ones, or?
It's quite new. Yeah, it's the one that you don't need a license for.
Cool.
We didn't know it was this much ice or snow up here.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
It's still nice.
Oh, it's beautiful though, right?
It is. It is a beautiful view. Yeah.
All right, enjoy.
You too.
Okay. Little creek flowing down into the lake. That's where I came from, down over there. There we go. All right. Well, I think we're gonna have to definitely come back in the spring or summer so we can see the other side back over there. Then walk right up to the hydro dam. It's pretty inaccessible right now. So we'll definitely save that for next time.